this video, I will show you how you can submit a letter for USPS Operation Santa program. To do that, simply you need to understand one thing. This is basically writing to Santa. You can make your wish here and then it will be posted on a portal. After that, any person or any organization can adopt your letter and then fulfill your wish. So, here's how to write and submit the letter. In the letter, make sure you write your full name, then your street address, your apartment number, city, state, zip code. Then make sure to write this exact particular address. Write Santa 123 Elf Road, North Pole, 88888. Then make sure you also attach a first class stamp in the upper right corner. You have to submit the physical letter, not the digital version. So write it out, write down the address, then you have to submit it to US Postal Services. They will only accept the letters for a certain period of the time before the festive season. It is not available all year around. To find out when it's available, you can simply go to any web browser. In the search bar, search for USPS Operation Santa program. Here you will find a link, simply click on it. From here you can find out if they are accepting letters for this year's program or not. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.